If you're looking for a protein-rich recipe, you've come to the right place. Today we're making quinoa and beans. Let's see how it's done. I'm going to start by popping a portion of the quinoa on a very hot pan. I have soaked 3/4 cup of quinoa for half an hour, out of which I'm going to pop only 3 tablespoons. Start stirring the quinoa around. When you soak the quinoa, the skin becomes nice and soft and a little bit of moisture makes it to the center as well. When you place it on a very hot pan, the insides start cooking and the outside starts hardening once again. This is how the quinoa pops. If you're lucky, you will also be able to puff some quinoa beans, but that is very rare. Popped quinoa is also very tasty. You can not only use it for this recipe but for your other salad garnishes as well. Okay, I can see that the quinoa has started catching a lot of color. I'm going to stop right here and remove in a plate. Now I'm going to cook the rest of the quinoa with lots of water. So I have almost half a cup of quinoa left over here. At least 3/4 cups of water. In case you need to add more, you can always add more later. I'm going to add in around 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to cook the quinoa for around 10 to 12 minutes. The quinoa has cooked down completely. There's a little bit of moisture left. Now I'm going to create a well in the center and add a knob of butter. Add in some chopped garlic right in the center. When the garlic is aromatic, I'll start adding in my veggies. I'm going to start with spring onion whites and carrots. We're going to saute it for about 5 minutes. Once the carrot has lost a little bit of crunch, I'm going to add in corn and red capsicum. After sauteing for about 30 seconds, I'm going to add red kidney beans. I have soaked them overnight and then I have cooked them in a pressure cooker for about 6 to 7 whistles. I'm using 1.5 cup of boiled kidney beans here. Next, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. We're going to cook this for about a minute. While it's cooking, I'm also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary. I'm using 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. Our beans and quinoa are now ready. Let's plate it. Let's garnish our colorful bowl with some spring onion greens, popped quinoa. Our healthy and hearty bowl of quinoa and beans is ready to eat. Definitely give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.